In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it when your Amazon Fire TV stick isn't updating. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by heading all the way over to the little settings cogwheel near your profile picture over here. And then scroll down a little bit, and in this section, you're going to see a network option. Go ahead and open this up and select your Wi-Fi network and just hit the play or pause button on your remote and run a speed test. This is going to let you see your download speed and just make sure that it matches whatever you're supposed to be getting. If your speed looks slow or inconsistent, try power cycling everything by turning off your TV and unplugging the Fire TV stick, and then unplug your router for about 60 seconds. Plug everything back in, check again, and if your internet looks fine, the next issue could be storage. So go back to your main settings page right here, and then go all the way over to this little application section. Open this up, scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see this little manage installed applications tab. On the right, you're going to see this little internal space. That's going to show you how much storage you have. But open this up and make sure automatic offload is turned on. You may have to scroll down a little bit in order to see this. But if your storage is low overall, find whatever app is taking up a lot of storage and just hit the play or pause button on that to uninstall it. You can also hit the little rewind button on everything to pull up a small little menu and then confirm the clear of cache as well to free up a little bit more storage as well. But once you've cleared up enough space and confirm that your internet is working properly, go back and try updating your Fire Stick again and you should be good to go. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.